my channel. We just arrived here in Amsterdam. Pretty excited because my brothers are actually meeting us here. So this is our last leg of our little, you know, travel trip. If you haven't watched the London vlog that, you know, we just filmed because we were just in London, definitely check it out. But since we're here, I figured I would give you guys a little room tour. I forgot to do it in the other one. It was just really dark in that hotel room, but this one is really nice. So when you first walk in, just standard coat area. We have our luggage. Then you keep going. We have a pretty nice view. I'm not really sure what this area is called, but it's pretty cool. Have a little beanbag area. And then out here, like I said, you can see the water, and I don't know, like I said, what this area is, but it's pretty cute. Have a little area here for me to do my makeup, and then this is just the room. Pretty standard room size. The other one we had was pretty small in London, so pretty happy about this. And then the bathroom, pretty standard bathroom. Nice. Actually, the shower's pretty big. I like it, but there's no door. I don't know why they always do this, but there's like literally no door here. Hopefully the water stays in. But yeah, super excited to be here. Like I said, we did almost get into an accident right outside his hotel room as we were coming in. Our Uber driver, it wasn't his fault. It was this truck that almost smashed into us, and if it did, we would be in the water right now. So very thankful all of that went well. Our flight was super quick, only like 45 minutes. And yeah, we're just gonna freshen up, probably get some dinner. My brothers don't get here until tomorrow, so we'll see them bright and early in the morning. But yeah, of course, I will take you guys along with us as always. Hey guys, it's a bit later, just changed and, you know, got dressed. Not doing anything too crazy because I'm honestly so exhausted. I think we're just gonna get a quick bite to eat and then come back, go to sleep early. I'm gonna have to redo my hair, which is why I have it up. I really need to redo it. And then wake up super early tomorrow. My brothers come here and really get this trip started. Amsterdam. My crazy ass are now here. One and the other. But yeah, we're about to head to get some breakfast, and I'm super excited because I'm finally going to the Anne Frank house. If you guys know the story, when I studied abroad here, we came here and just ended up waiting online for like 3 hours and didn't even end up going. So I'm excited. This time we have tickets, we're gonna go. But yeah, of course I will take you guys along with me. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys my outfit. So this is the outfit I'm wearing for today. Sweaters old from H&M, Burb scarf, Telfar bag, which they're actually restocking them today, so I may try and get another one in like a bigger size, Abercrombie jeans, and then just my Uggs. Hopefully it doesn't rain because I'll be pretty upset. And then I'm just pairing it with my brown jacket that you guys have been seeing me wear this entire trip. the next day. We had a great time yesterday. Went to a ton of different museums, walked around a lot. I think I had like 18,000 steps. Went to a ton of different vintage stores where I actually picked up a few cute things. So I'm just gonna give you guys a mini haul before we leave and start off our next day in Amsterdam. I found this cute store called Gimme Glitter, and they had literally everything. Almost all the vintage stores had pretty affordable prices. I mean, one I went to was all Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Birkins, and those were obviously a lot more. But this place surprisingly had really good deals, so of course I had to pick something up. The first thing I picked up were these vintage Chanel sunglasses. This is just what they look like. They have, you know, the C's on the side, and this is the back. This is how they look on. I just really loved the vintage vibe of these, and I've been trying to find ones just like this, so I'm pretty excited that I found these. And these were only 117 euro, I want to say, and the euro and dollar pretty much the same, so it was a pretty good deal. These normally cost, I don't even want to know, but way more than 117 euro. The next thing I got is something I've been wanting for a while. I actually tried to find this in London and I almost bought one, but it just didn't feel like it fit me how it should. And it was also way more expensive than this. So pretty excited that I held off until we got here so I could find this one. So I found this beautiful Burberry trench coat. Well, actually, Jay's the one that really found it. Beautiful Burberry trench coat. It has the Burberry lining in the inside, and I just love the color. Like, you guys know I love neutrals, and this is just so beautiful. And so as you can see, this was also 25% off, so this was actually 275 euro. Then with 25% off, it somehow came out to like, I think it was like 207 euro for this jacket, which is insane because these usually cost like $1,900. So this was definitely a steal because it's in pretty perfect condition. And like I said, the inside has the whole Burberry lining. But yeah, I was pretty happy with all of the vintage finds that I found. Maybe I'll find some more today, although I don't know where I'm putting all of it in my suitcase. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly give you guys that little haul, and we're gonna head out to go find something to do. Yesterday we had a ton of museums like already booked. Today's more of just like a chill day. I definitely want to go to the Christmas markets. We passed by one yesterday and it looks so cute with like the ice rink and everything. Probably gonna do more shopping and just, you know, really chill. Amsterdam is definitely one of those cities where you just kind of vibe out, chill, eat some amazing food. Like yesterday I had the best chocolate cake I've ever had in my life. So definitely been loving it, and of course I'll take you guys along with us.
It's like a pizza. They can buy.